many people, they talk about the book The Secret. Okay, it's one of the most famous books out there. It's sold millions, maybe even billions of copies. However, even though I'm into spirituality and I do definitely believe in the law of attraction, I'm not a fan of the book The Secret. And in today's video, I'm going to explain exactly the reasons why. Okay, so why am I not a fan of The Secret, so to speak? First, because basically what it is, I feel like it's a bit of a junk food version of something that is actually healthy and powerful. It's like having a fast food burger versus a gourmet chef burger. Okay, yes, you'll get the quick hit, the quick taste, but you're going to get bad after effects from it at the end of the day, and it's not going to give you the nutrition. Now, I'm talking about spiritual nutrition right now. Now, here's the thing. When it comes to law of attraction, again, I've read The Secret actually 3 times just to make sure that I'm not going on a hate rant. I've read it many times, and just before this video, quite recently, I went through it again. Now, what it does, it purports that you should think about something, and then it'll come into your life, and like magically almost. And I don't know if anyone has ever even seen the video The Secret. In there, it's like things are appearing, and it's very wow. And to be honest, it's kind of a bit like woo-woo nonsense. Because if it worked that way, then I would say 90% at least of the people that bought the book will be sitting there manifesting. But have they become millionaires? Have they got the house that they want? Have they got the car that they want? No. The reason is because there's some serious missing ingredients from the formula of attraction. Okay, the law of attraction exists. It's just like the law of gravity. Okay, it's an undeniable law. However, the way The Secret purports it, it's like baking a cake when you're missing eggs or sugar or flour, like 1 or 2 of the main ingredients are missing. So you're just going to end up with pretty much a disgusting mess at the end of the day. Now, I'm going to try in this video to give you a little bit of an overview of how the law of attraction works. And obviously, I've only got like several minutes. I'm not going to be able to go into full detail. If you want to know more about it, in the link, I'm going to put some more details about my book, which goes into detail about the law of attraction. However, if you do use the things that I tell you in this video as well, you're going to walk away with some actionable steps that you can use to change your own life. Now, the best way to use the law of attraction is to do it this way. Yes, you must think about the things that you want, but what that will do is that will put you in alignment, in vibration, okay, with what you want. And again, you have to continually stick with it. I can't sit there like in the Secret, in the video, sit there and go, oh yes, I would like a new house, and then wow, magically, boom, it appears. It's not like that. I'd have to have that on my mind day and night. Okay, whatever I'm doing, it's got to be running until from my conscious mind, it should fall into my subconscious mind. Once it falls into my subconscious mind, then I'm starting to trigger, and this is only the beginning. It's like lighting, like sparking a match. Okay, now I'm starting to trigger a spark. Now, to turn that spark into a flame, you need to have something called consistency. When your consistency now kicks in, when you're thinking about something and you're like, okay, let's take for instance the house idea. You want the new house. You continue thinking about it, and you're thinking about it in detail. Now what you have to do is you have to act as if you already have it. So you have to take yourself away from the vibration of I want to I have. When you put yourself on the side of I have, then you have to say, okay, if I had that house, how would it feel? How would it feel to wake up in the morning there? How would it feel to be just chilling out there, inviting friends around? What would I do? You have to get those thoughts in your head, and you have to make them real. You have to create like a sub-reality within you. And once you're doing that, that is now taking that spark of the law of attraction that you're creating, and it's turning it into a flame. Now, what you have to do to actually get the thing that you desire is turn that flame into a raging fire. So you have the thoughts, you have the consistency, and now you have to do the thing which 99% of the people fall down on, because this is the hard bit. You've got to take action. Without action, you're going to get nothing. Whether it's the law of attraction or anything in life, you will get nothing, because action sparks attraction as well. Okay, so you'll get the alignment, you'll get the spiritual alignment with what you want, okay, or universal alignment, however you want to call it, okay, you'll get that. But until you can be in line with something, but until you take the action, you can't have it. I mean, let's just take it on an even easier level. Say I wake up in the morning and I want a cup of tea, and I'm like, yeah, I can imagine what that tastes like. And then I'd go up to the kettle, put the water in it, boil it, and put the tea bag in, make the cup of tea. However, if I sat back and sat on the end of the dining table and just kept thinking about the cup of tea, and then thinking, well, I'm thinking about it, I'm in alignment with it, according to the law of attraction, according to The Secret, it should just magically appear in front of me. It doesn't happen that way. What happens is, with the law of attraction, it puts you on track for something. But like any track, unless you're going to take the steps, unless you're going to take the action, you're not going to get anything at the end of the day. And this is why everyone falls down, because unfortunately everyone's quite lazy. I mean, to be honest with you, this is going to sound harsh to a lot of people, but people are either two things in life. You're a warrior or you're a victim. Now, most people, they actually sit on the victim side of things, because they're like, oh, life is happening to me. They're like, oh, that person's bad to me, that thing is happening to me. Okay, you're now a victim. To be a warrior doesn't mean going around like Conan the Barbarian, like smashing things. What I mean is, you have to start taking ownership and responsibility for the things in your life, So you're like, okay, I want that new house. I put myself in vibration, I believe I can have it, but now I must take actions. And when you take those actions, when you push forward, yeah, you might do some things along the way and they'll be right, and some things will be wrong, but you'll be making progress, okay? Constant progress to your goal. And that action is that missing ingredient. That's not in The Secret. That's not in most manifestations and the things people are doing. They're falling down because they're not taking action. In fact, I would say action trumps skill, talent, luck, and all these other things, which are just excuses that people with the victim mentality, they hide behind. Because if you're a real warrior, you take ownership of what you're doing. So you're like, okay, I want to learn a new skill or whatever. Along the way, the things that go wrong are your fault, and the things that go right are your fault. Okay, once you can say everything is my fault, then you can make everything correct, everything right. Then you can make progress. Then you can actually get somewhere in life. So to round it all up, what I would basically say, what you need to do to make the law of attraction, this real law, and believe me, I believe in it, and I've used it many, many times to my advantage, and I've been on either side of it. I've been on the good side of it when I've attracted good things, and I've attracted bad things, but because I'm aware of what I'm doing, I'm able to correct my frequency. So I urge everyone there that if things are going wrong for you right now, whether it's in a relationship or whether it's in your career or whether it's in your health or anything, take responsibility, take ownership. Because once you take responsibility, once you take ownership, then you can actually really make some real impact in your life, okay? So to make that law of attraction work for you, first of all, think about what you want. Be specific. Okay, what is it? New house, whatever. If it's a new house, what kind of house? Where? The location, the interior, everything. Think it all out in here, because there's two worlds. There's the inner world inside you, and there's the outside world. Now, the outside world is just a reflection of the inner world. Okay? Basically, your life is a reflection of your mindset. If you can understand that, if you can just meditate on that, that will change everything. Okay? So adopt the mindset that you can not only have what you want, but you already have what you want. To see it and feel it before you have it, and therefore you will have it. Nothing can stop it coming from you. Okay? So this is what you need to do. Get on that frequency that, okay, whatever I want, I already have it. And then when you do that, you'll see these things called opportunities will start to arise. People, things will come in your life, and they will require action. Opportunities, they're like little windows, little portals that are going to lead you to what you've been trying to manifest. Again, can't magically happen. I mean, imagine if someone came and knocked on your door and said, oh, you know that $1 million you were trying to manifest? Here you go. Are you going to take it? No, you're going to think it's a scam, right? But if you went out, if you're trying to manifest it, and then you started a business, and then you started to make sales, then you would accept it, because that's how the universe works. There's a logic to it. There's a realism to it. It's, again, you know, sorry if Rhonda Byrne is watching this, but like in The Secret, she makes it out to be like some kind of Harry Potter, you know, Harry Potter situation, Hogwarts. I'm going to magic this into existence. I'm going to magic that into existence. To be honest, it's bullshit. Okay, if you want to do that, it's just like, it's a bit like, I would call it emotional masturbation. It's not going to get you anywhere. But if you really want to make progress, you have to really spark the law of attraction by having specific thoughts, consistent thoughts, positive, you know, that I have what I want. Not I want, I have. That takes you on a completely different vibration, and you stick with it. And then when those opportunities or those portals, remember that word, if those portals pop up, take them. Meet that person. It's normally awkward because life's best opportunities, they normally come in the worst place. Okay? It's never easy. They're awkward. So take those opportunities. Meet those people. Do those things. And I promise you, they will lead you. They're like fast tracks. They will lead you to exactly what you want and exactly what you need in life. And you will achieve what you want because you'll spark that law of attraction and you'll turn it into a raging fire. Okay? So I want you to drop some comments and tell me the sort of things you're actually trying to attract into your life. And also try these methods that I've taught you as well. Okay? Put them into effect. And let's see what happens. And if you do get any effects, please just drop me some information in the comments and we'll chat about it. As you can see, definitely not on script today. This is just a riff that just came from basically speaking to someone, and I just felt inspired to share this. And I'm tired of seeing people fall flat. There's even some people that don't even believe in the law of attraction anymore because of The Secret and different things. They've been let down left, right, and center. But I'm here to tell you the law of attraction is real. It works. But you gotta follow those steps. Be specific. Be specific, okay? Be consistent and take action. And you'll get all the things that you want. Okay? So until next time, make sure to live more than you exist.